Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to help my students who may encounter some technology problems coming up for remote learning. So this is an example of my classroom website. On the left side you can see the content that I teach, and then you can see a page that's called Student Tutorials. When my students click on this link, they'll scroll down, and what I've done is inserted a Google Slide presentation that only has one slide on it, and I've embedded links onto each one of these icons so that when a student can click on the icon, it takes them to a tutorial on how to use that online application. So this is how to use Google Classroom. This is how to use Google Meet. All of these are really quick, student-friendly videos. They're all using the student version instead of the teacher version. So this will be a good video just to show them what they should be seeing on their side. Please use this if you need to, and you can edit it. You can take away some of these, delete some of the icons that you're not using in your classroom. You can make a copy of my presentation on the link below and edit it and use it any way that you need for your classroom. I hope this helps someone out there, and let me know if you want me to add anything else to this tutorial page.